and chocolates. Does it sound nice? Very nice. Why? Because I love chocolates. And I'm sure a lot of you do. But which chocolates? Not the ones we eat. The dark chocolates, which have high level of cocoa in them. Why? Because they have high quantities of antioxidants and also release serotonin, which helps us to get out of depression, feel stress-free, and also manages our insulin levels better. So remember, 1 ounce of chocolate, remember dark chocolate, is recommended. Try it for 2 weeks and studies have shown that you can become stress-free. Easy enough? Do it then.